everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to do a review and unboxing of this recently purchased REDRAGON K551VARA. It features 104 keys with the red switches. They call them the equivalent to the Cherry MX red switches. It features a metal construction, plate-mounted keys, and precision-engineered keycaps. It does have a lot of different lighting. I believe they say 19, and it features all those pretty RGB colors that we love. So REDRAGON, you may or may not know, offers a lot of really good budget products. Mainly mice and keyboards, but obviously you can see here gaming cases, gaming pads, gaming chairs, etc. This website here, you can browse. They got lots of good products. I bought this one. I live in Canada, so I bought this one for $57.99. At that time, I did have a $5 coupon, so $52.99 for, again, the REDRAGON K551 mechanical gaming keyboard with RGB 104 keys. As I mentioned, it features all those beautiful colors. The Outemu Red key switches, which they call the Cherry Red MX equivalents, and the pointless number of 50 million keystrokes. You'll be long gone before you use all those up. It's an Amazon choice product, so you know that it's quality, it's good enough for the price, and it's got pretty good ratings, 4.4 out of 5. So let's jump in right to the unboxing. I did cheat a little bit and I cut it open already, but there you see the box that it comes in. A little REDRAGON logo, sorry, right there. REDRAGON VARA, high speed, high control, high response. All those gimmicky words we love. There is the back side of it. And here it tells you that it features those red switches. So the reason that I'm doing this review is because when I was trying to buy this keyboard, I went onto YouTube and I found a lot of great reviews, a lot of quality content. But for this specific keyboard, it featured the blue switches still at the time, I guess. So now, I don't know when they made the switch, but this one features the red switches. So I wanted to make sure that it was up to date for the next person like me going on YouTube to try to find a review. So let's open this thing up. Nice quality bubble wrap. First thoughts right away, it's got a nice weight to it. So it definitely has that metal build. There's a first look at it. And this is what I was looking for. So this is the reason I made the switch from my old keyboard, was while you still get the performance out of these keys, it's not so clicky. It's a little bit annoying and loud with those blue switches. So great build on that. It is not a braided cable. Check inside this bag, see what we get. REDRAGON VARA, sorry about the glare. Little manual there, we'll take a look at that because of all the lighting features, I know they're a little bit different from the K552. And a nice little decal. So let's plug this in and see what we got. So there it is there. It's all plugged in. It's beautiful with all those nice RGB colors that we love. We're going to do a quick typing test just to listen to it a little bit and just see the quality of the keys. So for this specific keyboard, it's interesting to note, I was reading the little manual that I mentioned earlier, it does not have any software, no drivers, so it's just plug and play, and all those lighting features are just controlled by the function key. So we're going to run through and just see what kind of lighting features we have. So anyways, now that you've seen the lighting, I think I've shown everything on this keyboard. Overall, pretty good keyboard, pretty good build. I'm happy for the price. I'm happy with the keys. It's not too clicky. It's got nice lighting features. It doesn't have quite the lighting features that I found on the K552. Pretty good overall. I did forget to mention that it does come with this keycap remover as well in there. I found that in the box a little bit later. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. I would really appreciate it, and subscribe if you'd like. I do gaming content, and so I'll be doing some unboxings and things like that. I really do appreciate the support, and thanks for watching.